baby, let me change your life. You wanna see?
But all thoughts and opinions are my own. And I just want to give a huge thanks to Supernova Hair for this sponsored video. Let's go ahead and get into it. So what came in this bag cap, and this is the version straight hair. 3 bundles and 5x5 lace closure came in this bag, and this is a 10-inch lace closure. Just gonna take it out the bag, and it is so soft. Has baby hairs. It looks pre-plucked also. And this is how the back looks. It does have seams across it, which is nice. This hair is so soft. It's super soft. It does have a smell. It smells like it has been washed, but it smells like, you know how you get your hair flat iron and they have that flat iron smell to it? That's what it smells like to me. But this lace closure is beautiful, and it is a 5x5. So yeah, let's go ahead. I do got 3 bundles that I have received from them also. I'm just going to show you guys one bundle because all of them is the same, and all 3 bundles are 18 inches long. It comes in this bag, 18 inches. Super soft. Yes, look at it move. The weft. It is thick to me. Yeah, this hair has a smell, but it's like the smell I told you guys about earlier. At least to me, it smells like when you get your hair flat iron and it had that smell in it. That's what it smells like to me. If you want to see me install this bad boy, go ahead and stay tuned. So this is the Supernova, the wig. And this is the inside of the cap. So we're just going to get straight into it. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put this on the lace since I did not bleach the knots, nor did I tint the lace. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. And y'all can see those baby hairs. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. I'm looking over here because I have my mirror over here. Wait for it to get tacky, of course. Take out my baby hairs and lay them down. I'm going to be using my Got2b spray, of course. And I'm going to put my scarf right on. I'm going to wear the scarf for about a couple minutes, and then I will be back with the finished look and let you know how and what I think about this hair. So see you in a minute. I'm back. So since this hair is super thick, it is so thick, go ahead and straighten this hair with my hot comb. It's on 20. I'm looking in my mirror. Hair is so silky and soft. I am gonna add me some of this to the lake. That is the famous, just to make it blend more, because I didn't bleach or tint the lace. Hair is bomb.com. You cannot tell me that this hair isn't bomb. Like, come on now. We already know. Supernova hair, super soft, silky, and just full. Like, I love me some full hair. So easy, simple, fast, quick. It's a quick and go wig. Quick and go. Put it on and go. I will see you guys later in the next video. Peace.